Hi guys. Right now I'm going to test the team. I tested before, but and I had the another replay, but the camera was simply so fucking bad. So like right now I feel like the quality production of my videos are going to get better, but and we can improve. And so that's why I didn't post the last video, and I want to play on PC, but it's a little bit harder right now in my phone. I just have this application, DR Recorder, that it's more simple to use. So let's start. I'm going to test the team, and I hope we get at least 2 wins. Well, we're on low ladder, so the wins that come the wins are really easy. So here we have this ghost fucker, this steel, big vault. So here my Janty Walls is. I wish he wasn't immune to. Now we wish, I guess. We wish, and we pass the wish to Feral Turn, or I guess we will see. So we go to. Okay, let's think for a moment. Um, we need Swampert alive. So okay, now we're going to Kindra. I'm going to sack Kindra to wreck shit. Then now I'm going to Hydro Vortex and we kill this shit. Okay, good. Now we need the Wincon is Mega Pert and the okay shit the thing is going to wreck me. I hope he uses Zero Wall. I knew he wasn't going to Stonehenge. That was a play only pros make. I'm not saying I'm pro, but he quits. We are still in low lag. I don't know. Well, I prefer right now we just to see how the team works on low ladder. So let's keep going. Um, I don't know what he's going to lead. I'm going to lead with my. I don't know. I'm going to lead with my pirate horn, and I'm going to get some spikes. I see rock. I'm tired, guys. So, okay, a power whip here is so simply it's so fucking effective. Okay, this motherfucker switch. I'm going to Swaxy. I mean, Swag. I know it's not funny. I know, but who the fuck cares? Sorry, I know I say this a lot, but this is family friendly. I am okay. Let's see. Um, Gudra is Gudra can't always gets walled by Chansey, and Chansey gets chip damage on anything that counts. Um, Actually, the only way he could break my team is through um, Weavile. If he knows how to use Weavile. Weavile. Okay, he made the right play. My little boy is so smart. This thing wrecks, right? he has he. Ooh, that was close. I'm going to Hurricane. Nothing walls is. Only like he is. Oh, thank you. It's good. Thank you. I guess. Thank you, Lola. These plays are the plays are good. Okay, thank you, thank you. I'm so happy you gave me the thing so easily. Now we go to my fucking steel, and we wreck this this one part. Okay, he's going to switch. I'm going to my Parathorn. I want my spikes on my steel rock. Glare. Well, okay, nice play. Yeah, I guess T-Wave gets some free wins. If you like set up and anything, okay, this can touch me. I mean, Focus Blast or Flamethrower, but it's on rain, so it's not going to do damage. He's going. See, he's going to muddy water. He's going to muddy water. I want to. This this guy likes to take his time. Like, yeah, guys, don't discriminate. Low ladder. They they are like small children that they have big imagination. like like SpongeBob once said, use your imagination. I just made the big circle with SpongeBob. Thank God I am not showing my face because so many memes will you will be so uh, you will troll me for years, guys. So so fuck that. Oh, I told you guys he was going to muddy water. Watch this spike miss. Now we go back to Chansey. No, we could try. Oh, fuck. The place. You know what? Now I want my last spike. I want my fucking last spike. No, fucking cool. Now we go to this. I was going to Chansey, but this guy likes to take his time. So, he forfeits. Thank you. Okay, I think we have time for one more game. So let's do it. Ooh, new message. So, okay, this is going to be a little bit harder. We are going to start with Politoad. I'm going to Whirlpool. You know what? I am afraid of this. I'm going to my turn. He was going to U-turn, I guess. I and he's going to like pursue it. I don't know. He should pursue it. It's not well. It's going to do some damage, but ooh, Zen. Fuck. It is going to hurt. And we get up with Steel Rock. Actually, I don't know how I'm going to win this. I'm going to knock off this motherfucker. Mandibus. Holy shit. This is so fucking annoying. Now, well, now I'm going to. I think my breaker is turned. So now I'm going to Hurricane. Rock you like a hurricane. I'm going to rock these mandibles like no tomorrow. Only 20. You piece of shit. No wonder people don't use you. Don't use you. Because you suck, piece of shit. I need to pass a wish to my Chansey. To my Swag. Ooh, fuck. That's going to hurt. That is going to hurt. And if he gets an increase, we are a little bit fucked. You know what the fuck? I don't understand this place. You probably had like superpower or something like that. Now I'm going to wish. Ah, he thought I was bringing um. Ooh, nice play, nice double, nice double. Full again, full again. Ooh, burn me, bitch. Burn me. Ah, fuck. This is taking too much time. Now I'm going to seismic toss because he's taking so much time. And I'm going to soft boiled. Ooh. Okay, now that's getting scary. That's getting really scary. That's. I don't like that. Okay, can you hurry up, please? Can you, sir, hurry up? Like, what the fuck? This Metagross. Do you know how? I don't know what joke to say. My life is so sad. Just kidding, guys. Right now, making these videos are making. Oh look, making these videos are making me happy. Yes. Oh look at this nice place. Oh fuck it. Oh thank you. Now I'm going to get my spikes. Woo. Thank you. Nice. Ooh, that's going to hurt. That's going to hurt. Ooh, fuck. Oh, he almost kills. He almost kills me. He should like you turn, or maybe he has defocalando. He has defocalando. Where? Oh, well, no, it doesn't matter that he has defocalando. It doesn't matter. I know these low leather guys are so fucking smart. I don't know. Don't insult guys. You like is money so elitist? I don't understand why people there are so elitist. Like you should be ashamed of yourself for thinking that you are worth something. And like Smogon is for amazing people. And if you don't like, and and if you're insulting my newies, I hate to say I hate to say, but that's what I hate. Why will you insult a potato from the low ladder? They are the best players alive. So like, don't be so aggressive, please. Now we're like just look how we recover now the HP of our entire team. Actually, I am. Oh, he's going to T-way my chances. Oh, now he's going to T-way my. Thank God I was faster. Imagine if he was faster. Shit, the place I am is so fucking scary. It's like, holy fuck, what I am doing here. If you are wondering where I am on my. I am close to my house, but it's like a little bit lonely here. I just destroyed these chances. Fuck. Okay, now it's a little scary. I mean, the wind is scary. I decided to play on another side because right now it's a little bit late and my mother and father are sleeping. Well, maybe my father not. Maybe he is watching porn. Just kidding. No. He doesn't do that. I shouldn't make those jokes. It's offensive as fuck, and in the future I might not get that sweet revenue because well, I guess we win. Like with the 6, we are going to 6-0 this guy. Woohoo! He predict me, this motherfucker. So hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this game. Subscribe, hit that bell button. I feel like PewDiePie when he says that. Goodbye.